So a few things. This does work for my hair in terms of the night after there is curl definition, and that's what I'm looking for. Hi, so I've been using the Creme of Nature flexible styling Snot, and for the most part I like it. And also I've been using the curl activator. So I wanted to just give a brief review of these two products by Creme of Nature. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell. So a few things. This does work for my hair in terms of the night after there is curl definition, and that's what I'm looking for. The only problem I have with it is that by the end of the day, my hair shrinks. And so this is what happens. So you see the curl definition for sure. Look at that. But my hair has shrunk throughout the day. And so I was thinking, what can I do where I can still use this and have good results where my hair doesn't shrink as much? So in terms of the curling Snot, it's hard as cement. I only put it on the sides. So a pro about the curling Snot is that it does not leave any flakes, and there's no white, which I guess would be the flakes, but there's no white coloring or anything. It's just blends in well with your hair. You don't need a lot of this. Like, I imagine I'll be using this for over a year. It just takes a tiny bit and your hair feels like rock solid, like cement. So be careful how much you use it, because it can also break your hair off too. So don't try brushing it or doing anything with your hair when it has the Snot on it. So what I do to re-smooth my edges, which I need to reapply Shebe, but what I do is just spray it in the morning. Today is my day to reapply Shebe. But if I don't want to reapply this, I just spray it and then smooth it back again with water or any type of spray. So because I'm having an issue with shrinkage and using the Moisture and Shine Curl Activator Cream, I'm going to mix a tiny bit of this with the Curl Activator Cream and see what happens. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I already have a container I'm going to use. Literally going to start mixing with only a tiny bit. Literally that much. Or shall I say that little? And this is super thick. I really gotta shake it. That was 6. Okay, I'm going to mix it together. It's turned into like a shea butter. Anyway. Or like a butter. Reminds me of that texture. Okay, so now I'm going to shape in my hair and apply. And I'll show you what the results look like.
Hey guys, so it's the next day and I've shaved my hair, so it's a bit goopy and oily. Not a good feeling. So I've only done 4 flat twists, so I don't want to put a lot of tension on my hair. And really, ideally, I just want to have a twist out and then just leave it for the whole week. But I'm not sure if that's a possibility. We'll see. I'm going to test that out next time around. So I have great curl definition, and there's a bit of a shine, and it's looking kind of cute, guys. So until next time, I'm going to go throughout the day and see if there's any shrinkage. Bye!